In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple time blocking system in ClickUp. Time blocking helps you plan your day with intention, reduce decision fatigue, and stay focused. We'll keep this setup minimal so it's easy to maintain and fast to use. First, create a dedicated place for your time blocks. Open ClickUp, go to Spaces, and choose Create Space. Give it a clear name like productivity or time blocking so you always know what it's for. When you're configuring it, enable tasks and calendar. Those are the only features we need for this simple system. Tasks to represent each block and calendar to visualize your day. Next, inside that space, create one list. Click Create List and name it Daily Time Blocks. Keeping everything in a single list makes it easy to duplicate and review without jumping between folders. This list will contain every block you plan for the day. Now, simplify your workflow with just two statuses. Set your statuses to planned and done. That's it. Fewer statuses reduce friction, make the calendar cleaner, and keep your focus on execution rather than micromanaging progress stages. Before we go further, if you don't already have ClickUp, there's a link at the top of the description to sign up or download the app. Grab it so you can follow along and build this system with me. Let's add your time blocks. Click Add Task and name each task by activity and time. For example, focus work 9 to 11 a.m., meetings 1 to 2 p.m., and personal tasks 4 to 5 p.m. One task equals one time block. Use clear names so you know exactly what that time is for at a glance. Open each task and set its start date and time, then its due date and time. Match the time block exactly. These times are important because they're what the calendar uses to place each block in your day. Accurate times make adjustments later, easy and visual. Switch to calendar view to see your day laid out by time. Here you'll see each block in its slot. If something changes, just drag and drop a block to reschedule. You'll keep your plan intact without rewriting anything. Finally, repeat this daily. At the start of each day, duplicate yesterday's blocks, tweak the times if needed, and as you finish, mark the blocks done. This builds a reliable rhythm and gives you a simple record of where your time went. That's your simple time blocking system in ClickUp. If this was helpful, give it a like, grab the link to ClickUp at the top of the description, and subscribe for more practical workflows. Thanks for watching.